Do you know the difference between to lend and to borrow? Do you know how to use these two words correctly? They might be similar in meaning, but if you get them mixed up, it can lead to confusion. This video will show you how to use these words the right way. Hey real estate experts, it's Jenny from Real Estate English Academy, the place where you can boost your English. In today's lesson, I'd like to shed some light on the difference between the words lend and borrow. As a professional translator and English teacher, I see non-native speakers get these terms confused all the time. It can lead to misunderstanding and costly mistakes. In this video, I'll share some tips with you that will help you understand the difference between these two words and use them correctly. Even though the words lend and borrow are similar, they're also quite different. The most important difference between them is the direction of the action. The verb to lend means that you give something to someone for a short period of time on the understanding that it will be returned. Let's look at some examples. Oh, your car is in the shop. I can lend you mine if you want. Or, I have a large suitcase that I don't need right now. I can lend it to you for your trip to Asia. As you can see, lending is an act of giving something to someone for a certain period of time until that object is returned. Now let's talk about to borrow. All you really need to do here is simply switch the perspective. We're no longer giving something to someone. Instead, we're receiving something from someone. Let's look at some examples. I forgot my cell phone. Could I borrow yours to make a quick phone call? Or, could I borrow some money from you? I'll give it back to you tomorrow at the latest. As you can see in these examples, to borrow means to get something from someone with the intention of giving it back. Now, the terms lender and borrower are commonly used in a business context, especially in real estate financing. The lender is usually a bank, and the borrower is typically an investor who needs capital for an investment. Okay, let's do a quick exercise together to see if you understand the difference between lending and borrowing. If you want, you can pause the video to think about your answer. Mr. Smith is a real estate investor. He wants to purchase a multi-family home in Seattle, Washington. He goes to the bank and asks for a loan. In this scenario, Mr. Smith wants to lend or borrow money from the bank. The bank acts as the lender or borrower, and Mr. Smith is the lender or borrower. Did you get the answers right? Let's find out. The solution is Mr. Smith wants to borrow money from the bank. The bank acts as the lender, and Mr. Smith is the borrower. See? Easy. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.